Hello friends, in this video I will be telling you how to use Express framework in Node.js. It is useful for creating REST API easily. So I am assuming that you the user have already installed Node.js. So to check whether you have installed Node.js or not, just go to the terminal and type npm -b. It will show the version of the Node.js you have installed. So let's get one simple program. We will make one simple program, hello world, using Express. So make a directory, then go to that directory. Now to create a project in Node.js, you have to use npm init, give name, then you can skip these things. Yes. Now you can check that one package.json has been created, where it will be keeping the different requirements. This is nothing but package.json. Okay. So now to use Express, you have to install that Express in this project itself. So use npm install Express -f. This will add into the package.json as a requirement. If you will not use save, then it will not will be added as a requirement in the package.json. It's creating. Yeah, done. Now you can see there is node modules, that is nothing but package.json. Node modules which is creating different packages. Now create one index.js and make some code. Okay, in insert mode, declare a variable named Express require Express var you can directly give port, or you can use process dot in dot port, so that if the port is 844, means whatever port you are giving that is already used, it will take some different environment port. So first let's check whether this app is working or not by a printing statement, simple statement. Okay, So let's try it. Yeah, app is working. Cool. So again, make some use of REST API, a small version. We will check. Like you have to give a route for each path. It's like path. This slash means only root part. So this is root part is heated. Okay, let's check. So app is working. So now just check whether it's opening in browser or not. I have localhost 8443. This is the address. Okay, it's working. Here hello world is coming. So again in terminal you will see root part is heated. That's how Node.js works. You can use it for different purposes. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.